Can I use short clips from movies in my YouTube videos? Yes, you can use movie clips as long as it falls under fair use, fair dealing, or if you get permission from the owner of the movie. There are 6 ways to know if something falls under fair use, fair dealing. The purpose of the dealing. This means how is using the movie clip in your video being used for your benefit. For example, since you're doing a video on story structure, your benefit would be for education purposes. The character of the dealing. This means how many people are going to see your video. Since you're uploading this to YouTube, it would be hard to say how many people would see your video, but you estimate how many people will view the video through how many people saw your previous videos and your subscriber count. The amount of the dealing. This means how much of the movie are you going to use in your clip for the video. Majority of the people say that up to 10% of the original scene, clip in the movie should be fine for your clip. Alternatives of the dealing. This means is there a way that you can use something other than a movie clip as an example? For this point, think about how familiar the movie clip is to your example. Is the movie clip a really good example for your points, or can you something else and just expand on it for your viewers? The nature of the work. This means that was the work previously published. Is the movie you're getting the clip from well known? It is better to have a well-known clip rather than a confidential private clip. The effect of the dealing on the original work. This means are you taking money away from the movie producers? Using a clip of a movie to prove something negative about the movie can be wrong, since you can stop someone's intent of buying, renting, or watching the movie. Important points to remember. These do not make you 100% immune to copyright strikes. You can be challenged by the rightful owner of the clip, in which you would have to defend yourself and prove your clip was fair use. It is necessary that you credit each clip, indicate where you found the clip with a link. It doesn't have to be the direct owner of the movie clip. For example, it can just be what site you found it from. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this.